Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in our previous video, we have seen what are environments, how to create environment. We have seen a registration of a user. So in this video, guys, we'll see how to create our first test, right? So if I just click on runner, like run collection here, we would have seen long back. Let's see. If I click on run, there are no tests in the request. So, and we didn't get pass, fail or skipped. So now we'll rectify this by creating a test. Okay. So let me click on three dots of folder. We can click on edit folder. We can add a test also here. So let us add a test, right? So let me create whether the status code is. So if the test fails by anything to more than 200, this function will fail. Okay. And also we can see JSON value check. Also I can add, after this I can add one more thing. So let's see JSON value check. Okay, your test name. So I just want to see the data in the JSON value that we have this or not. Okay, let me save this. So let me run the collection now. Click on three dots, run the collection. Now I don't want to run the post, I just want to run this too. Let us see. So we got one pass, okay, we got one fail. See, assertion expect undefined to be deeply equal to 100. So first was verify status 200. So maybe we can add one more proper test here, right? Let us go to the folder level, click on edit. Okay, instead of this, let us see some more test. Okay, so let's see response body. The response we have, do we have a match string? Okay, let us see the response contain metadata. Okay, let us see that. Let me to the collection level. Let me click on run collection. So I don't want to run post for now. Let me click on run collection now. Okay, so expected, so this got failed. Okay, so this is the entire response which we got. Okay, so I'm not able to search this because this string doesn't match with this, but now we got a pass fail result. If you click on say pass, you'll get the pass result. If you click on fail, it will show what exactly is the fail. And also we can create tests on the request level. Just click on here list user, right? You can put the test here. You can add the test also. So same. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.